Let us move to the next article. Expression for curl of a vector. Next article, expression for curl of a vector. Before this, we discussed gradient of a scalar, divergence of a vector. In gradient of a scalar, we studied three-dimensional vector differential operator nabla or del is operated on a scalar. The result is a vector. In divergence of a vector, we have seen that the three-dimensional vector differential operator del or nabla is operated on a vector and the result is a scalar. We also studied what is physical meaning of gradient of a scalar. What is physical meaning, physical interpretation of divergence of a vector. In this article, we shall study what is meaning of curl of a vector, and in the next article, we shall go for physical interpretation of, physical meaning of curl of a vector. Let us consider a vector point function. A is equal to A of xyz defined in a vector field in the region of space in Cartesian coordinate system, so that this vector point function A is function of the coordinates x, y, z. In Cartesian coordinate system, vector function A is defined as A is equal to vector A, it is a vector point function in Cartesian coordinate system. It is defined as AXI plus AYJ plus AZK as usual, where AX, AY, AZ are rectangular components of the vector point function A along the axis x, y and z. I, j, k, these are rectangular unit vectors along the axis x, y and z respectively. as A is function of x, y, z, this Ax will be function of x, Ay will be function of y, Az will be function of z. If x, y, z are changed through dx, dy, dz. Let us suppose that there is slight change in x by dx, in y by dy, in z by dz. A is dependent variable, x, y, z independent variables. As independent variables x, y, z are changing by dx, dy, dz respectively, Ax, Ay, Az, these rectangular components of A will also change. And if we derive the variations in Ax, Ay, Az because of variations in x, y, z, we will get 9 space derivatives. We have written these 9 space derivatives while studying the expression of divergence of a vector. So, these 9 space derivatives of vector A with respect to x, y, z are these are the 9 space derivatives. As the independent variables x, y, z are changing slightly by dx, dy, dz respectively, the rectangular components of A, Ax, Ay, Az will change accordingly, and these changes are recorded here. These are known as the space derivatives of the vector point function A. These are known as the space derivatives of vector point function A. And how many are these? 3, 3, 3. So, there are in all 9 space derivatives of the vector point function A when x, y, z are changing slightly through dx, dy, dz respectively. Now, how to take curl of a vector? Curl of a vector is nothing but cross product of the 3-dimensional vector differential operator del and the vector point function A. Curl of a vector is nothing but the cross product or the vector product of the 3-dimensional vector differential operator del or nabla and the vector point function. So, let me write this mathematically here. Curl of vector A is equal to del cross A. curl of vector A is equal to del cross A, and it will be I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z cross. This is del cross. Let us write A here. Ax I ay j plus az k. What is curl of a vector? Curl of a vector is cross product or vector product of three-dimensional vector differential operator del or nabla and the vector point function A. This is nabla or del. This is the vector point function A. Let us carry out the cross product of first term with this and this to get three terms. Then cross product of this with this and this to get three more terms, and then cross product of this with this and this again to get three more terms, and that is equal to dou Ax by dou x I cross I, dou Ax by dou x I cross I plus dou Ay by dou x I cross j plus dou Az by dou x I cross k plus dou Ax by dou y j cross I plus dou Ay by dou y j cross j plus dou Az by dou y j cross k. Three more terms plus dou Ax by dou z k cross I plus dou Ay by dou z k cross j plus dou Az by dou z k cross k. Vector product of this is taken with these three terms to get this row. Then vector product of this term is taken with these three terms to get the second row. Then vector product of this last term is taken with these three terms to get the last row, the third row. You know the rules of vector product of the rectangular unit vectors. These are I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Because of this rule, this has become 0, so the first term will 0. This has become 0, so this term will be 0. This has become 0, so this term will be 0. And the next, I cross j is equal to k, j cross I is equal to minus k, then j cross k is equal to I, k cross j is equal to minus I, k cross I is equal to j, I cross k is equal to minus. Let us take these rules here. Come to this I cross j. Where is I cross j? I cross j, it is k. So this term will be k. Then I cross k is minus j. This term is minus j. Come to this j cross I minus k. Write this minus k. J cross k, it is I. This is I. K cross I, it is j. So j. Finally, k cross j minus I. Let us collect the terms of I in one bracket, the terms with j in other bracket, the terms with k in the third bracket. That is I into, where are the terms of I? This dou az by dou y minus, this is minus I, minus taken here, I taken outside. What is this term? Dou ay by dou z plus j. Where is term of j? Here, j, dou ax by dou z. Minus j, dou az by dou x. This minus is taken here, dou az by dou x plus k into term of plus k, it is here, dou ay by dou x minus term of minus k, it is here, dou ax by dou y, minus taken here, k taken common. So equation star, using these rules in this cross product, three terms with I cross I, j cross j, k cross k vanishes, they become 0. Remaining 6 terms are collected, the terms with I taken here, the terms with j taken here, the terms with k taken here. This equation star is nothing but curl of vector A or del cross A. So this is expression for curl of a vector function. This is one method of getting curl of a vector function. Other method is also there, which is simpler one. Let me go to the second one. In second method, you are not needed to remember the rules of cross product. This del cross A can simply be written in determinant form I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and finally here you will have ax, ay, az. This is equal to I into this column, this row skipped. What left? This dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ax, az, minus j into 2 by 2 determinant, minus j into 2 by 2 determinant. This column skipped, this row skipped, dou by dou x, dou by dou z, dou by dou x, dou by dou z, ax, az, plus k into 2 by 2 determinant. This column skipped, this row skipped. What left? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, ax, ay. This is equal to I into this cross product, then this cross product. This is dou az by dou y minus dou ay by dou z minus j into this cross product minus this cross product, dou az by dou x minus dou ax by dou z plus k, this one minus this one, dou ay by dou x minus dou ax by dou y. Take this minus sign common here. If we take this minus common here, our equation will now become equation double star. Del cross A is curl of a vector point function. It is represented in terms of determinant. This 3 by 3 determinant converted to 2 by 2 determinants along with I, j, I minus j and k. Cross product is taken to get this one. Minus sign is taken common. This term will go to this side. This will become minus, come here, this way. And finally, what we got? Curl A is equal to I times dou az by dou y minus dou ay by dou z plus j times dou ax by dou z minus dou az by dou x plus k times dou ay by dou x minus dou ax by dou y. Observe equation star and equation double star. What do you find? Both equations are same. You have to decide which method you want to use. I have explained and derived both the methods. You either go to the first method, get curl of a vector point function, or you go to this second method and get the curl of a vector point function. In the first method, you needed to remember the rules of cross product of the unit vectors ijk. In the second method, there is no need to remember the rules of cross product. You can directly write this in the form of determinant and solve the determinant to get the solution, so that we will have the expression for curl of a vector point function, that is del cross A. So this is the expression for curl of a vector point function. As del is invariant, the nabla del three-dimensional vector differential operator is invariant. Curl of a vector point function is also invariant. If curl of a vector point function is 0, that vector is known as irrotational vector. If curl of a vector is 0, if curl of a vector is 0, that vector is known as a irrotational vector. If curl of a vector is 0, that vector is known as a irrotational vector. Curl of a vector is very important in vector calculus. It finds applications in hydrodynamics and electromagnetism. Curl of a vector is very important in vector calculus. It finds important applications in hydrodynamics and electromagnetism. This is about the expression for curl of a vector. Hope you got it. In the next lecture, we shall go for interpretation of curl of a vector. Till then, thank you.